Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use form data in Postman. First, open Postman and create a new request. You will find the form data option within the request body section. This method is essential for sending information like user inputs or file uploads to a server. It structures your data into distinct fields, making it easy for the server to process. We will cover the 3 main steps to successfully send your form data. To begin, set your HTTP request method to post, as this is the standard for sending data to a server. Next, locate and click on the Body tab, which is where you define the content of your request. Within the body options, select Form Data. This choice tells Postman to format your data as key value pairs, ready for submission. This is a crucial first step for any form data interaction. Now you can start adding your form fields. In the KEY column, type the name of your data field, such as username or email. Then, in the adjacent value column, enter the actual data you wish to send for that key. For example, if your key is username, the value might be John Doe. If you are uploading a file, Postman provides an option to select a file directly, automatically handling the content type for you. Once all your form fields are entered, click the Send button, typically located in the upper right corner. Postman will then send your request to the specified endpoint. After the request completes, the server's response will appear in the lower panel of Postman. Carefully review this response to ensure your data was received and processed as expected by the API. Look for status codes like 200 OK, indicating success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.